My husband couldn't believe that I was actually going to post my fly jar that I make, and I have been making for several summers now, on my cooking page, my cooking channel. And thanks, guys, for watching, by the way, all of you. But I mean, when you have a barbecue or a picnic, here they come, or every time you open the door to your home, in comes a fly. And it goes without saying, they are disgusting. Now, the reason I put a viewer's discretion on this post is because I'm about to show you how this fly jar works, and this is some really gross images, but here we go. We live in a rural area where our neighbors have animals. Like on one side of us, the neighbor has horses, and then on the other side, there's a huge farm where they raise cattle. So I'm guessing that probably due to that, maybe that's why we have a lot of flies in the area. But we sure have them, and these jars have helped us so much. I know this is disgusting, but these really work. I keep one on our patio table, and I keep one in the kitchen at all times throughout the summer. And this is how it works. This fly is going to go through the hole. There he goes. And when he gets in the jar, he's after the hot dog. So you're going to need a hot dog and some Karo syrup. So you just put about 1 or 2 inches of Karo syrup in the jar, take a hot dog, slice it down the middle and cut it in half, and just put that whole hot dog in there. Or you can use bologna, but the hot dog works best. I just recycle my pickle jars for this, and I use the same type so that when I drill those holes into the lids, you can reuse those lids and not have to drill more holes. But I do replace this jar about every 3 to 4 weeks throughout the summer, and the one in the house as well, and they just keep coming. Also, you can paint these jars so that when you have visitors in your home, they're not sitting and looking at this gross jar. And you can make them really cute. This is also great for picnics, gatherings, cookouts, and even outdoor weddings. I do hope y'all come back to my page, to my channel. I know this was disgusting, but these little jars work, and they're so easy to make.